Now, in the previous lecture, we understand how you can add and remove widgets from the different location of your WordPress theme. Now, let's see how you can change your theme and choose the best theme in the WordPress. So just head over to the appearance and here you will find themes options. Just click on it and open this theme section. When you open it, you have 4 themes here. The first one is the default theme you will get with WordPress and 3 other themes. Now let me show you how you can choose your WordPress favorite theme from the hundreds of WordPress website. So to add a new theme, just click on this add new. When you click on it, you can see you can add a new theme in your WordPress site. You can notice here we have different themes here, right? When you scroll down, now as you can notice we have 15 themes in this feature section. Now the feature link takes you to the themes that the WordPress org has selected. But what if we want something new? Just click on this popular. Now if you have a theme in mind, the theme in these sections are some of the most popular themes. You can notice here we have different themes in this section. You can choose any theme from this popular theme section. And the themes are not limited actually. You can choose any theme, whatever you want. Just out of that, we have a latest theme. When you click on it, you will get the latest themes in WordPress. Now, as WordPress improves and changes, many themes needed updating and adding in new features. Themes in the latest category are themes that have been updated recently. Now, in this section, you can search for your favorite theme. If you know the name of free theme, you can easily search for it by keyword, author, or tag using the search theme text box. We're not going to choose any theme from here because we are going to create our own theme in the WordPress. So I'm going to leave this section as it is. I just back to my dashboard. So I'm going to just back to my dashboard. Now, in the next lecture, we'll talk about how you can install and activate different plugins in your WordPress theme. Now, let's get started and see what is plugin, how to install it, and how to activate that plugin in your WordPress theme. So in this lecture, we'll talk about a very essential part of WordPress, which is plugins. So what is plugin? A plugin is a piece of software containing a group of functions that can be added to your WordPress website. They can extend functionality or add new features to your WordPress website. Plugins can be very simple, such as plugins that changes your appearance of the dashboard menu, or they can be very complex, accomplishing hefty tasks such as providing a complete e-commerce solution with product listing, a shopping cart, and a payment processing. So using plugin, you can do a lot more things. You can add a functionality of your basic theme and make your theme more advanced using just a plugin. So in this lecture, we'll find out what plugins are, how to find them, and how to install them in the WordPress site. So as you can see, this is my simple dashboard, and in this dashboard, you can find the plugin right here. So just click on it and open your plugins. Now, as you notice, by default, you have 2 plugins installed in your WordPress website. But you can notice here, both these plugins are not activated. Now, as you can notice here, this plugin protects your blog from scam. So why don't we activate this plugin and save our website from the scam? So let's activate it. To activate this plugin, just click on this activate button. When you click on it, this will activate this plugin. So as you can see, this plugin is now activated. If you want, you can sign up with this account or just leave it as it is. I'm going to leave it as it is and back to my plugins section. This plugin is now activated. You can deactivate this plugin by clicking on this deactivate button. Plugins are very helpful for your WordPress. Plugins can turn your WordPress installation into a full feature gallery for posting images on the web, an email store to sell your products, a user forum, or a special networking site. Using a plugin, you can make your theme more advanced. WordPress plugins can be simple, perhaps adding a few minor features, or complex enough to change your entire WordPress site's functionality. Now, there are thousands of plugins available in the market. When you install your WordPress, you will get 2 plugins with this WordPress website. You can notice here we have this first plugin and this second plugin. So as you know, this plugin will protect your blog from the comment scam. Now, as you can see, we have this second plugin, Hello Dolly. Now, this plugin helps you to get your feet wet into plugin development. If you are interested, the plugin development is a whole new world. We're not going to dive it because plugin development is out of this course. With WordPress, you can get both these plugins. Now, what if you want to add a new plugin in your WordPress? Just click on this Add New. When you click on it, you can see you can add a new plugin in your WordPress site. We have different plugins here which you can add in your website. You can see we have featured, popular, recommended, and the favorite plugins. You can notice here in the featured plugin, we have 7 plugins. And right here, you can notice the first plugin is activated. Now what if you want to install this Jetpack in your WordPress site? Just click on this install now. When you click on it, WordPress will install this Jetpack into your WordPress site and let you choose activate or not. So by using activate button, you can activate or deactivate this plugin. As simple as that. Now if you want to get more plugins, just click on this popular. You can see you have thousands of plugins in front of you. So you can see here we have many plugins which you can install in your WordPress site. Now if you want to get the more information about the plugin, you can just click on this more detailed link. When you click on it, you can find a more information about this plugin. And if you want, you can install this plugin by clicking on this install now button. Now there are thousands of plugins available in the WordPress. You are not limited to only install this plugin from this popular section. You can install these plugins from the WordPress site as well. So let me show you. Just open a new tab and head on to the wordpress.org. And when you open this website, you can find in the navigation menu, you have plugins. When you click on it, you can see you have many plugins to install. Now you can see extended your WordPress experience with 54,732 plugins. So you can imagine how many plugins are there in the WordPress. Now you can also change your theme from this website. Just click on these themes, and right from here you can choose your favorite theme and then upload to your WordPress website. As simple as that. Let me just back to my plugins. Let's say you want to install this WordPress contact form. Just click on it and just download this contact form. And once you download it, just back to your dashboard. And right here in the plugin section, in the add new section, you can notice here we have a upload plugin button. Just click on it and select your file and upload your plugin in your WordPress website. As simple as that. So there are thousands of plugins available for free and thousands of plugins have price. Now let me just move to my dashboard. You have been working on this dashboard since a while now, and you know that how to create a new post, how to add a media, how you can create a new pages and set that as a home page. You know that how to select a new theme, how you can customize it, how you can select your new plugin, how to activate and deactivate it, and you also know how you can change different settings from this setting option. Now, so once you know all these things, you know the WordPress well. Now we can move to the theme development section. But before we move on, don't forget to experiment with these settings to understand this dashboard better. From the next section, we'll start creating our own WordPress theme. I will show you how you can set up a new theme, how you can add different functionality in that theme, and then we'll create our finished WordPress theme. So I will see you in the next one.